Well, we are talking about unseasonably warm temperatures this morning and as we head into this afternoon. But this is last January at this time. You can see no problems out there right now. But this time last year, you can see snow-covered grounds there on the highways. Roads were very slick and slippery. Roads were very icy and iced over. Cancellations out at DFW Airport and Love Field with all the winter weather that we had. So quite the contrast from what we had a year ago. Right now, what we're dealing with. We are bringing in meteorologist Colin Myers now to talk about that storm that we had this time a year ago.
Greg, can you believe it? I mean, 1 year ago, we were getting ready for this storm to start at about noon the following day on January the 9th. And what we were going to see was we weren't quite sure at the moment just when that changeover would happen for everyone. The sooner it happened, we thought, hey, there could be a lot of accumulating snow, which there was. But unfortunately, we had more freezing rain and sleet and even graupel falling early on Friday, January 9th, or Thursday rather. And then what happened is it just changed over to snow for many spots along and north of I-20. So you did end up with spots seeing 6+ inches of snow in North Texas, if you can believe it. Look at these temperatures. On the 7th went from 25 up to 39, 20s and 30s up to upper 30s. And what Greg just said, what a dichotomy between that and 80 degrees today. Some spots in the low to mid 80s. This also was the first significant winter storm since that brutal February 2021 winter storm where everyone lost power all across the state. That was the last big one. So it was a big change. Let me show you again. Here are the snowfall totals from the National Weather Service after the event. Okay, and we're going to pop that up. Look at this. Kind of hard to see. This is the Weather Service map. Dallas, okay, up to the airport, almost 3 inches. 4 inches, 5 inches in northern parts of Collin and Denton counties, McKinney. Look up in Sherman, almost a foot of snow. Unbelievable, really, when you think about it. And this year, we're in the 80s. But look at this, some 8, 9s. Again, there's that 11, 8, 7, 8. So the spots that didn't see quite as much snow did have accumulating sleet before that. If you remember, the roads were just slush for a day or two as well. And we had trouble in some spots with that snow not melting for a while because we were so cold. Didn't see the sun for a few days. But that was 1 year ago, if you can believe that. What a change in contrast to this year, where we're reaching for the low to mid 80s today. And looks like this warmth is going to continue, even with a slight cool down, guys.
What a difference a year makes, Colin. All right, 5:10.